Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi. Oke, jadi hari ini saya juga ingin ngobrol sedikit tentang DX ya, karena dulu pernah saya ulas tentang bagaimana DX dengan mudah. Nah, yaitu dengan ditulis di kertas, terus kita kalau blank tinggal kita baca ya sesuai dengan urutannya, karena ada petunjuk bagaimana ketika kita menjawab orang yang masuk atau yang memanggil ya. Nah, ketika kita CQDX, nah CQDX itu memang pernah saya jelaskan juga, di situ ada tiga, ada yang dia CQDX hanya untuk mencari entity, mencari banyak stasiun radio, sehingga mereka cuma 59. Misalkan contoh ya CQDX Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee, terus ada yang pile up ya, orang tunggu-tungguan ada yang masuk Echo Alpha 3 X-ray, kita panggil Echo Alpha 3 X-ray 59, mereka tinggal jawab you 59 also, thank you 73. Nah, intinya setiap stasiun radio yang kita terima, entah besar entah kecil, kita jawab 59. Nah, tapi kita syaratnya harus dapat call sign orang yang masuk, itu yang fast, yang cepat ya, DX cepat untuk mendapatkan banyak YSU. Nah, kenapa dia kadang tidak menyebutkan call sign kita? Karena dia tahu kita cepat, dia cuma you also 59, thank you, karena dia sudah tahu call sign kita, kan kita tadi CQ. Nah, makanya kadang-kadang ketika kita DX itu sering menyebutkan call sign, jangan hanya QRZ, tidak pernah menyebutkan call sign kita, mereka nanti bingung. Karena kalau kita sudah dapat Echo Alpha 1 X-ray 59, nah mereka akan jawab you also 59, thank you 73, itu toh aja. Nah, intinya call sign, report, thank you 73. Mereka juga bahkan report 73 karena mereka sudah nyatet. Ya kadang disebutkan, itu yang cepat. Ada lagi yang enjoy, yang santai kayak saya biasanya itu kalau di X, memang saya selalu menyebutkan call sign dia, saya beri report, saya kasih tahu nama saya, karena biar kenal ya, kan tidak semua orang di X itu ngecek di qrz.com, ada yang langsung. Nah, ada yang langsung tanya ya, sebelum dia tanya saya jawab dan saya tunjukkan located atau lokasi saya ya, location ya. Nah, saya di Malang, Jawa Timur. Nah, I'm in Malang, East Java, itu aja. Back to you. Nah, itu dicatat bisa. Nah, nama saya Yusuf, langsung di spell Yankee Uniform Sierra Uniform Foxtrot, seperti itu ya. Nah, mereka juga akan begitu. Nah, biasanya setelah kita 2-3 kali menyebutkan nama kita, yang lainnya itu begitu masuk, oke, Yusuf, you are 59, dia menyebutkan call sign kita dan nama kita bahkan. Itu akan seperti itu. Nah, yang ketiga yang di XN Company, dengan teman-teman kita bergantian ya. Oke, yang mau saya bahas itu adalah yang di X santai atau di XN Company atau di X santai dulu ya. Kalau di X santai itu begini, kenapa kok saya lebih senang ya kalau kita dengar ya, ada teman kita yang dari Jakarta, YB0ER atau Yankee Bravo 0 Alpha Romeo, Om Ferry, dia kan di X nyebutkan namanya itu keren ya, lokasinya, tempat dia di Jakarta, terus antena, bahkan kadang kalau yang kita ajak bicara itu kita dengar besar, terus juga sedikit bisa bahasa Inggris, kita tanya working condition. Nah, kalau ada working condition juga pernah saya ulas, ada kata working condition, berarti mereka tanya perangkat apa yang kita gunakan, mulai dari radio sampai antena, atau antena sampai radio, dibalik boleh. Mulai dari kita nyebutkan antena dulu, radio, misalkan kita running berapa watt, pakai linear merek apa, itu boleh disebutkan. Ada yang seperti, nah tujuannya apa ya, memang kita untuk have fun, untuk bersenang-senang. Jadi tapi dengan catatan kalau stasiun yang pile up banyak, ya kita nggak bisa berlama-lama ya kan, kasihan yang lain karena juga pingin masuk. Jadi ketika Anda DX-ing, ketika Anda CQDX terus di pile up, itu Anda seperti seorang NCS atau Net Control Station, atau sebagai Net Control Operator. Kalau di luar negeri itu sekarang mereka bilangnya itu Net Control Operator. Nah, sebagai Net Control Operator, nah kita ya juga jangan lama-lama. Kadangkala ya kita respon lah karena besar, tapi agak cepat Kadang-kadang mereka tanya nama, perangkat, karena tidak semua pendengar saat itu ya. Nah, mereka akan tertib. Ini kalau Europe, yang pile up itu biasanya Europe. North America juga pile up, tapi yang paling banyak di Europe, karena negaranya kan banyak di Europe, itu dataran luas ya. Wah, berapa ratus negara itu kan. Nah, itu asik. Nah, jadi kalau pas ada memungkinkan kita terima stasiun besar, dan kita triknya nggak usah terburu-buru. My name is Yusuf, Yankee Uniform, nggak usah. My name is Yusuf, Yankee Uniform, Sierra Uniform, Foxtrot. Nah, kadang-kadang saya nggak sepel karena mereka sudah tahu. Karena kita hampir, waktu itu saya sering tiap hari ya. Nah, apalagi 40 meters band ini saya sering sampai saat ini. Nah, jadi mereka familiar. Nah, ketika saya main di band lain di 20 meters band, di band 20 meter ya, itu sama aja mereka. Ya mungkin ada yang nggak pernah ke 40 ya. Karena apa? Antena di 20 meter itu kan lebih pendek dibanding 40. Jadi kadang-kadang di negara luar itu, Jepang gitu ya, dia punya antena cuma di 15 meter dan 20, nggak punya 40. Karena 40 ini kalau yang bagus kan panjang. Adapun dia punya yang shorten, yang pendek mungkin kecil diterima di Indonesia dan sebaliknya, sehingga mereka jarang komunikasi dengan luar negeri seperti Indonesia. Tapi kalau di 20, di 15 banyak. Itu contoh ya. Nah, maksud saya apa? Jadi kita di X ini untuk Evan, untuk senang-senang, untuk mendapatkan sensasinya. Sensasi di X itu bukan melulu hanya ya GSL card atau award ya. Di XCC itu pastilah akan kita dapat kalau kita intens melakukannya ya. Tapi intinya itu kan senangnya dulu. Jadi prosesnya ini asik. Oh, akhirnya kenal ya, sama. Karena kalau kita kalau kebiasaan kita reviewing atau ngobrol, nggak hanya ngobrol toh, suatu ketika diselangi di X. Nah, nanti bisa dilihat di video saya yang bagaimana cara di X dengan mudah ya, how to di X easily. Nah, tapi itu udah video lama ya, jadi mungkin penyampaiannya agak beda, nggak apa-apa. Nah, tapi minimal siapkan aja kertas, tulisan. Kalau kita lupa, jadi kita bisa baca. Kalau kita sudah terbiasa ingat, nggak usah tulisan. Upayakan kita improve terus our English skill. Jadi kita ada yang keliru ya kita benahi. Meskipun kadang sering ya wajar ya, karena kita nggak pakai bahasa Inggris setiap hari. Oke, sekarang kita di X ke Europe karena ini sudah malam ya. Nah, ini memang jamnya ke Europe. Memang propagasi unstable atau tidak stabil setiap hari, kadang bagus kadang enggak. Kita coba, kalau memungkinkan bagus, kita coba panggil Europe sama South Africa. Oke, kita coba sekarang. Oke, kita coba di 7158 ya, 7158. Is this frequency in use? Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Is this frequency in use? Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. 3 kali enggak apa-apa. Is this frequency in use? Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Ya, ada kita CQ. CQ, CQ, CQDX, 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 CQDX. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Calling DX and standing by. CQDX, 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 CQDX. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Calling DX and standing by.
Bravo November Ontario. Bravo November Ontario.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Italy kilowatt number 3 Bravo November Ontario. IK3 Bravo November Ontario. You are 4 and 5, 5 and 5, unstable. 4 and 5, 5 and 5 into Malang. And my name is Yusuf, Yankee Uniform, Sierra Uniform, Foxtrot, QSL. Nah, kita sebutkan nama.
Okay. Thank you for the 5x5. You are 5x9, very good signal. 5x9, very good signal. And my name is Emil Echo Mike, Italy, London, and my QTH is located near Venice, around 30 kilometers northeast from Venice. 30 kilometers northeast from Venice. Repeat me again your call sign, Yusuf. Your call sign again, Omar.
Yeah, okay, Emiliano. Nice to meet you, my friend. Italy Kilo 3 Bravo November Oscar. This is Yankee Bravo number 3 Delta Yankee. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. YB3DY. How do you copy, Emiliano? Over.
With an icon, with the FT 818. FT 818 antenna is 2-element Yagi. 2-element Yagi at 20 meters from the ground now in your direction, and area amplifier 3K plus. Area amplifier 3K classic, now running around 1 kilo. So that's my working condition. What about you, Yusuf? Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee.
Dia tanya working condition. Dia cerita. Yeah, okay. IK3BNO. Yeah, my call is Yankee Boston number 3. Not Yankee Delta, but Yankee Boston number 3, Denmark, Yokohama. Yokohama, Boston number 3, Denmark, Yokohama. Yeah, okay, wow, that's great. You are using FT818 and 2-element Yagi, 20 meters high and 1 kW. yeah, I'm also using Yagi, but 3-element, and approximately 18 meters high, 18 meters high, and the radio is small icon, IC7. Wow, mati lampu. Bukan mati lampu, jeglek istilahnya. Ini yang kedua, makanya saya coba. Oke, kita nyalain dulu ya. Bentar. Lampunya jeglek atau trip ya. Jadi nggak apa-apa. Jadi nggak tahu. Kita coba panggil lagi masih ada apa enggak. Okay. Italy Kilo 3 Bravo November Oscar, Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee calling. Oh, ya oke. Udah nggak ada, kita CQ lagi. CQDX. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee calling DX and standing by.
Echo Whiskey 7 Lima Ontario.
Yeah, okay, flat. Echo Whiskey 7 Lima Ontario. Good evening to you. You are 5 plus 10 if, as usual, flat. Like a local flat. My name is Yusuf, QSO.
Okay, Yusuf. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Echo Whiskey 7 Lima Ontario. Yusuf, good night to you. Thank you, nice again, you're 5/9, taken 15 hours 9, 5/9 plus 15 hours 9, QSL Yusuf, over.
Yeah, okay, QSL, thank you for 15 average 9, wow, thank you for 15 dB average 9, that's great, you are 10 dB average 9, flat, yeah, flat, I'm TXN friend. Please stand by and listen, my friend. Flat. Go ahead, Omasino.
Okay, thank you. Echo Whiskey 7 Lima Ontario. This is Yankee. How do you copy me, Fred? Over? No problem, National. Yankee Delta 5 Lima Charlie Zoo. Echo Whiskey 7 Lima Ontario. National. Good evening, good night to you. Thank you, nice to you again. You're 60 Whiskey. My signal reporter and then Belarus 5/9 only. Western 5/9 only. And you saw 15 hours 9. You 60 Whiskey and they told only 5/9. 5/9. You saw Western over. Charlie, the time start 5/9, and so I'm just running 60 Whiskey, and I listened to you before, just now when another people from Italy, I copy you
you calling me. Okay, Patrice, I copy 5 and 9 plus 10. 5, 9 plus 10 in West Sumatra, Indonesia. Echo Whiskey 7, Lima, Ontario. Yankee Delta 5, 5, Charlie, Zulu, over.
Yes, okay. Curacao, thank you very much. Nice report for me and nice Curacao again. My 73, good year. Bye-bye. Wishing Mike to make control. Yusuf, Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee.
Yeah, okay, Flat. Wait a moment, Flat. Maybe any station from Indonesia will call you. Please stand by. Any station, silakan. Ya, oke. Uniform Alpha 5, coba silakan dicoba.
Hello my friend, this is Yankee Delta 1 Radio 55 Echo Whiskey 95 Ontario. You listening?
Sebutkan call sign-nya dulu, coba.
Иди послушай, там промой чуть-чуть, слушай хоть внимательно чуть-чуть. What you know? I'm sorry, Yusuf. Your station number 3, Yankee Bravo 1, and very weak signal, and much Kiev, Mexico, not very good operation, Russia. Yankee United Alpha 6, Alpha something like question, and much Kiev, Mexico, calling you. Yusuf, QSL, over.
Ya, oke, QSL. Wait a moment, Flat. Maybe any station from West Java. Oke, mungkin ada station dari Sumatera, silakan.
Yankee Delta 5 November saya mau mencoba.
Ya, oke, Yankee Delta 5, silakan.
Yankee Delta 1 Radio 55 Tangerang Dominasi.
Oke, Tangerang, please stand by. Yankee Delta 5, silakan dicoba, dipanggil.
Yankee Delta 5 November Charlie Whiskey calling Mr. Flat. Are you really over?
No, yeah, not very strong, Yankee Delta. 6 and question mark, much problema. Yusuf, okay?
Ya, oke. Yankee Delta 5, please stand by. Nggak dengar. Tangerang, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Om Yusuf. Yankee Delta 1 Radio 55, my name is Doni, Tangerang, over.
Tadi nggak dicatat call sign-nya, Mas?
Sudah. Eko Whiskey 95 Ontario.
Ya, oke, nggak dengar Anda. Nanti dicoba lagi ya. Nanti kita coba lagi station. Sebentar ya. Oke, any station?
Yankee Charlie 55 Bravo Delta.
Ya, oke, Yankee Charlie 55 Bravo Delta. Go ahead, silakan coba dipanggil call sign-nya.
Oke, thank you, Om Yusuf. Echo Whiskey 75 Oscar. Yankee Charlie 55 Bravo Delta calling over.
Yankee Charlie 5.
Diulang.
Yankee Charlie 55 Bravo Delta. QSL.
Good night to you. You report 5 by 5 and the Cure Mexico. 5 by 5, QSL, over.
Okay, Echo Whiskey 75 Oscar. You are 5 and 7, yeah, 5-7. My name is Yankee Alpha November Tango India.
Cewek.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Yankee Alpha Nancy India the Delta. 5 by 7 report for me, QSL. Thank you very much, over.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Very nice, QSL. And 7388. 88 to me. 73, bye-bye.
Okay, appreciate in Padang, West Sumatra, yes, yeah?
Okay, thank you, 7388.
Okay. Ya, oke, very good. Ya, oke, thank you, Bu Yanti. Oke, please stand by. Ya, oke, Flat. Thank you, Flat. Echo Whiskey 75 Ontario, Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Wow, thank you for stopping by here. Many station from Indonesia. Yeah, okay, thank you for the nice report for us, and hope to see you again, my friend. 73 Flat. Bye bye.
Okay, Yusuf and company. Thank you very much. Good weekend.
And good night. Good night and your company, Yusuf. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee
Yes,
and Company.
banyak yang masuk.
Echo Whiskey 7 Lima Ontario. 73, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Plat. Thank you.
Radio Uniform 9 Sugar.
Uniform 9 Sugar again.
Radio United 9 Sugar.
Yeah, okay, very strong. Radio United 9 Sugar. Good evening, you are 5 and 9. 59 into Malang, and my name is Yusuf. USM.
Yes, Yusuf, good evening. You're also 5-9, big signal. My name is Igor. Italy Golf Oscar Romeo. Go ahead.
Yeah, Igor. Good to hear you again, Igor. Wow, like a local. Igor, please listen and stand by. Many stations from Indonesia in another island. Please listen, my friend Igor. Go ahead, Omasino.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Radio United 9 Sugar. How do you copy me? Yankee Delta 5 Lima Charlie Zulu. Over. Okay, Yankee Bravo 9 Lima Charlie Zulu is Roger. Negative. Yokohama, Denmark, number 5 Lima Charlie Zulu. Okay, QSL, Yankee Delta 5 Lima Charlie Zulu. Thanks for the call. Your signal report is 5 and 7. 57, my name is Igor. Italy Golf Oscar Romeo. How copy machine? Go ahead. Okay, thank you, Igor. 5 and 7. Copy 5, 9 plus 15. 15 video operate 9 in west part of Sumatra, Indonesia. Thank you, see you again, Igor. Okay, thank you, Igor, for that case. All the best for you and your family. Radio United on 9 Sugar, and my second section, Yusuf. Silakan, Yusuf.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Omasino. Please stand by, Igor. Go ahead to Yanti.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Romeo, Uniform 9 Sierra, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta, calling over.
I'm sorry, please, you recall again.
Michael, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta, QSL.
Very big QRM. Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta, RU 9 Sugar. Good evening, your signal report is 5 and 6. 56. My name is Igor. Italy Golf Oscar Romeo. How could you, please go ahead?
Okay, Romeo Uniform 9 Sierra 057. My name is Yanti. Yankee Alpha November Tango India, and situated in Padang, West Sumatra, Keisha.
Okay, Yankee. Thanks for the report. Thanks for choosing. Good luck. Many days. Drive with and thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, very good. Yeah, okay, please stand by again, Vigor. Tangerang, go ahead. Tangerang, silakan.
Good night, America. This is Yankee Delta 1, Radio 55. You listening? Again, Yankee. Yankee Delta 1, Radio 55. My name is Donny. Java Island, ganti. Yankee Bravo 1, Radio Uniform, Mr. Roger. Yankee Delta 1, Radio 55. Yankee Delta 1, Radio 55. Kiasa? Okay, Yankee Bravo.
Banyak yang mau belajar, nggak apa-apa. Kita ajari pelan-pelan.
56 on the QSD. My name is Igor. Okay, Igor, you're strong. Signal strong. 559. This is Yankee Delta 1, Radio 55. Yes, sir? QSL, thanks for the report, thanks for the information. Good luck, many days.
Makanya have fun aja.
Thank you, Yusuf.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Very good. Yeah, okay, wait a moment, Igor. Okay, Yankee Delta 5, go ahead.
Yankee Delta 5, November Charlie Whiskey. Mr. Igor, do you hear me, ya?
Panggil call sign-nya dong.
Ya tahu, nggak dengeran.
Ya, lain kali didengar dulu. Oke, please stand by, didengar dulu ya nanti. Oke. Ya, oke, back to Igor. Radio United 9 Sierra Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Okay, Igor, thank you for stopping by here. Thank you for the nice gesture for us. And hope to see you again, Igor. RU9 Sierra YB3DY 73.
Okay, Yusuf, I'm using 3 element Yagi 40 liters built and homemade amplifier 1 kW input. Thank you, Yusuf. Good luck and many there 73 by.
Yeah, okay. Wow, that's great. 3 element Yagi and 1 kW. Yeah, I'm also using 3 element Yagi, but just 300 watts, Igor. Thank you, 70 Igor. Bye-bye.
73 by.
Okay. CQDX, Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee with company, calling DX.
You're just like a local station tonight, Joseph.
Yeah, okay, Ben. Yeah, but please stand back and listen because actually I'm DXN company with my friends in another island. I'm in Java Island and my friend in Sumatra Island. Wait a moment, Ben. Please give report for them, okay? Pak Wasino, go ahead.
Okay, Oscar Zulu 8 Bravo Victor, this is Yankee Delta 5 Lima Charlie Zulu. How do you copy me, Ben Oscar?
It's okay, YD 5 Lima Charlie Zulu, Oscar Zulu 8 Bravo Victoria. You're 5 and 7 to 8, 5 and 7 to 8. I copy you fine, but not so strong. Joseph is much, much stronger. So how do you copy, Tomo?
Okay, Ben, Oscar Zulu 8 Bravo Victor, Yankee Delta 5 Lima Charlie Zulu. Thanks for 5 and by 5. I copy you a very big signal, 5 9 plus 20 dB of red 9 in West Sumatra, Indonesia. Okay, thanks Ben for 5 by 5. My microphone back to Yusuf.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Wait a moment, Ben. Go ahead, Bu Yanti.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Oscar Zulu 8 Bravo Victor, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta calling over.
Okay, was it Yankee 75 Lima Bravo Delta? Was that the call over?
Okay, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta, Kiosha.
Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Papa Delta, QSL.
Okay, Kesha. Okay, thank you. You are 5'9", 20 dB, 20 dB. My name is Yanti, Yankee Alpha November Tango, India. Kiasha?
Hey Yanti, very good. Thanks for the 20 over. You're 5 and 8, 58, not so strong, but I do copy you. So great to hear you for the first time, and Tom as well there. So, so Yusuf has a big signal tonight here. So probably a better linear and better conditions. But I copy you, Yanti. Yankee Charlie 5, Lima Bravo Delta, Oscar Zulu 8, Baker Victoria.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for the contact. 73
Yeah, okay. Tangerang, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Hello, Ben. This is Yankee Delta 1, Radio 55. Are you copy?
Pulsanya sebutin dong.
Oscar Zulu 8 Bravo.
Yeah, Bravo, Mike, Quebec, and what was the rest of it? At the moment there, but I copy you, and I copy Yanti, and also Tom.
Ya, semua pada pengen belajar, jadi ya nggak apa-apa lah, kita harus memberi kesempatan.
Good to hear you.
Kebetulan band ini kita terima 30 dB dia. Dia di Denmark. Wow.
So I'll just pull out and be a little bit listening around there. So did you copy that? Yankee Foxtrot 4 Bravo Mike Juliet Oscar Zulu 8 Baker Victor 5 and 7. Oh.
Ya, semua pengen nyoba, jadi kita beri kesempatan untuk latihan ya.
It's okay, Hariando. QSL the number 2, Yankee Fox 2 Bravo Mike Japan, and you came up to 5 and 8 this time here, so conditions are better. But I say 73, all the best, and put it over to Yusuf and let you have your DX there. So you carry on, Yusuf. YB3 Delta Yankee, OZ8 Bravo Victoria. Go ahead, Yusuf.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, Ben. Wow. Thank you for okay. Thank you for the report for us, Ben. Yeah, yeah. You are 5'9" plus 30, almost 20, almost 40, Ben. Very, very strong signal into Malang today, Ben. Okay, thank you for the contact, my friend, and very nice audio. Hope to see you again, Ben. OZ8B3, YB3DY and Company 73, my friend.
Okay, Joseph, thanks a lot, and good to hear you as always, and always a big
Gede
signal.
banget ya.
Not always so big as today. Today is very good, but it's always big one. So 73, and see you further down the log. OZ8 Bravo Victor now QSY. Bye-bye, and all the best.
Okay, bye-bye, my friend. All the best. Okay, QRZ, Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee with company. Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee with company. QRZ DX. Okay, Romeo 7 Kilowatt Delta Whiskey. Good evening. You are 5 by 7, 57 into Malang, QSL.
QSL user, good evening. You report 59. My name is Slava, Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Kratki, Radio 7 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Yeah, okay, Flat. Good to hear you. Yeah, my call is Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee. Say slowly, Flat. Okay, Flat, please listen and stand by for my friend, okay? Go ahead, Pak Wasino.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Radio 7 Kilo Delta Whiskey, this is Yankee Delta 5 Lima Charlie Zulu. Do you copy me, over? Nyampe, Pak Yusuf.
Yeah, okay. Flat, please listen, my friend. Please listen, my friend, Flat. Go ahead, to Yanti.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Romeo 7 Kilo Juliet Kilo Delta Whiskey, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta calling over.
Flat, please stand by and listen. Flat, please stand by and listen. R7 Kilo Delta Whiskey. Flat, please stand by and listen. Go ahead, Yanti.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Romeo 7 Kilo Delta Whiskey, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta calling over.
Nyampe.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Can you hear my friend, Flat? Over.
No copy, you friend. No copy, you friend.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, thank you, Flat. Yeah. Yeah, maybe the propagation, Flat. Yeah, okay, thank you, Flat. Thank you for the contact and hope to see you again. Radio 7 Kilo Delta Whiskey, Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee 73, my friend. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Papa Alpha 1 Lima again.
Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray.
Yeah, okay, very strong. Papa America 1 Lima X-ray. Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray. 5 by 9, 59 into Malang, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, good evening, Yusuf. This is Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray. I copy you at this moment in the key of 5 over 9. The most of the time your signal is 5-9, QSL.
Yeah, thank you for 5-9, Alex. Yeah. You also 5-9. Yeah, thank you for 5 dB over stand for me. You are 5-9, Alex. Yeah, Alex, I'm TXN Company. Please stand by and listen, my friend. Go ahead, Pak Wasino.
Okay, thank you. Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray, please copy me. This is Yankee Delta 5 Lima Charlie Zulu, over.
Yeah, Lima Charlie Echo, I believe. I'm not sure. It's very difficult. I can hear parts of your QSL. 3 by 5, but the most of the time you're dropping. Please repeat your call sign. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray, this is Yankee Delta 5 Lima
Ini latihan.
Charlie Zulu Yokohama
Latihan DX.
dan Canada Zanzibar, over.
Sorry, I can hear you, but it's too difficult. And there are people on other stations calling.
Oh, nanti Pak Yusuf.
I'm calling when you're in the frequency. I'm so sorry. I can hear you in the key. You're 4 by 5, but the most of the time time you're dropping. I'm so sorry. I give the mic back to Yusuf. The Yankee Bravo 3 Delta Yankee, Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you, Alex. One more time. Go ahead, Yanti.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta calling, over.
No, I'm sorry. I can hear you, but I cannot understand what you're saying. It's too weak at this moment. Yusuf, mic to you.
Okay, Euro, please stand by. Euro, please stand by. Okay, wait a moment, Alex. Go ahead, Yanti.
Okay, Papa Alpha 1 Lima X-ray, Yankee Charlie 5 Lima Bravo Delta calling, over.
No, Yusuf.
Can you hear?
No, I can hear him, but it's too difficult to have a good copy of him. I have a QRM at this moment, 526 is a QRM on this side, so too much QRM. I can hear him, but I cannot understand what he's saying. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, Alex. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you just catch just 3 and 5, 2 and 5 like that, Alex. Okay, Alex, thank you for the contact and thank you for stopping by here. And hope to see you again, my friend. Papa Alpha 1, Lima X-ray, Yankee Bravo 3, Delta Yankee. Thank you, Alex, 73.
Thank you very much, Yusuf. I hope I can get you soon.
Nggak dengar, nggak apa-apa.
Maybe on one of the other better station, and hope I can get that other station next to you. 73, sorry, bye.
Okay, 73, my friend. Bye-bye. Oke, jadi itu tadi kegiatan hari ini. Nah, tadi juga ada Wild Station ya, Yankee Charlie 5, 5 Bravo Delta. Nah, sebenarnya banyak sekali. Tadi juga ada dari England ya, Gulf Mexico 8, Oscar Florida Quebec kalau nggak salah Jeff ya. Tapi karena nggak cukup, waktunya juga terlalu panjang, jadi nggak masuk dalam rekaman ya. Tapi ada next, nanti kita akan juga bikin untuk hal-hal seperti itu. Nah, jadi itu teman-teman. Jadi kalau kita belajar DX atau kita DX itu untuk have fun atau untuk bersenang-senang aja. Jadi nggak usah terlalu bingung, nggak usah terlalu khawatir. Yang penting kita asik dulu. Oke, jadi itu dulu. Semoga bermanfaat dan menghibur. Sampai jumpa lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 73, bye-bye.